Bombay Velvet's music is very, you need patience with that music because it's so true to the era of jazz, prohibition, 50s, 60s, जो actually हमारे हिंदुस्तान में था, jazz culture and these kind of songs. So Amit did a lot of research, वो खुद New Orleans गए, to understand the jazz culture. He used real jazz musicians from Prague. He used did a lot of research on the way it's sung, the way Neeti has sung all the songs for Anushka. So a lot of hard work has gone in this, and I think audience और appreciate करेगी जब वो film को देखेंगे. I think they'll understand the pace of this music better.
I think the ones who are used to listen to jazz music will just celebrate that इतना authentic jazz music उनको अभी फिल्मों में सुनने को मिल रहा है. And the ones who have not heard it would just find it like a revelation, to be able to listen to this kind of music.
And I think music also बहुत मदद करता है to transport you to a certain time.
Yeah.
And I think that was important. अगर हम आज के music को डालते हैं उस वक्त में तो थोड़ा jarring होता. ये आवाज़ ये sound क्या है और ये दुनिया क्या है. So it's very important कि वो दोनों का मिलन हो. My favorite songs would be a song called Naak Pe Gussa, which is the romantic number between Rosie and Johnny, which is a very light song. It is about their romance building up. A song called Dhadam Dhadam, which is the interval song of the film. It's a high octane, high intensity, emotional song, by the character of Rosie. She feels it, that's why she sings it. And also the Bombay Velvet theme, which I think really embodies the spirit of Bombay Velvet very well. Your favorite songs?
Exactly, same. You just copied me. It's Naak Pe Gussa and Dhadam Dhadam. I think all the music, and Mohabbat Buri Bimari is a really nice song. But for me, especially Naak Pe Gussa and Dhadam Dhadam, because I really enjoyed shooting Naak Pe Gussa and Dhadam Dhadam. Naak Pe Gussa actually also जब आप देखेंगे फिल्म में इसका अभी soon you must be watching it on TV. It's kind of showing a very kind of unique kind of chemistry which we were talking about between these two characters, through the song. And she's kind of talking about her lover कि जैसे वो हमेशा उसके नाक पे गुस्सा रहता है, and how she finds it so adorable, because when you love somebody you like everything, like the negative things in them you learn to appreciate. And Dhadam Dhadam is as an actor for me it was a great kind of experience to shoot that song, because it is the last time Rosie is singing, so like someone singing, like a very good singer singing their last song. So that just is very, in your head as an actor you feel that ये तो बड़ा cinematic kind of feeling एक आती है.
मुझे याद है जब अनुष्का वो सॉन्ग परफॉर्म कर रही थी, हम सब सेट पे थे, हमारा काम नहीं था, तो सेट पे एक सन्नाटा सा छा गया था. It was so powerful, the way the song is, the way she performed the song at the time of कब आधा है फिल्म में. I think it was a very cathartic moment for everybody on set to see that song come alive.